I'm Paula from PG Lifestyle and welcome to PGTV. Today I'm going to show you a great barbecue sauce recipe. We found when we first started embarking on a healthier lifestyle that trying to avoid additives and preservatives and all the sugar and things was really difficult. So I came up with some ways to make our own just so that my husband could still have sauce with his barbecue. So I've got, for this barbecue sauce, I've got tinned tomatoes that go straight in. It's a really quick, simple recipe. Only need to cook it down for about 10 or 15 minutes. We have some coconut aminos, which is a soy sauce alternative that you can get from your local health food shop. We have some vinegar. I have some tomato paste. Have some Dijon mustard. Always look for an organic Dijon mustard. If you can't find one, just check the label and look for one that has the least amount of additives and preservatives. This particular one I got from the supermarket, but I've noticed that they have stopped selling it, so I'm not very happy. Now in here I've got all my spices. I've got some paprika, I've got some allspice, onion powder, garlic powder. All the ingredients will be listed in the link to the recipe below. I've got some salt, I've got some pepper. That just gives it a great flavour. Now for the sweetness, because we all know that barbecue sauce is really sweet, very sugary. I've got some raw honey that we just get from our local market. And I've got some coconut sugar. The coconut sugar gives it kind of like the caramel flavour that you taste when you have a regular barbecue sauce. So all you need to do is stir all of those ingredients in together. And then over a moderate heat, just bring it to the boil and simmer it down for about 10 minutes. Welcome back to PGTV. Now our barbecue sauce has been simmering away here for about 10 minutes or so, and it is done. You can have a quick taste, see if you'd like to add some more salt and pepper or anything. Otherwise, the best way to do it, I like to just jar it straight up and pop it in the fridge for my husband to use. Now I have a little fancy funnel here that I use for these purposes. Now this sauce is yum, just on your normal barbecue meats. It's also great, we're going to be using it for our pulled pork recipe. I'll put a link to that below so that you'll be able to find it. I also use it to marinate pork spare ribs, and we also use it for chicken wings, marinated chicken wings. So it's a very versatile recipe and very tasty. You can double the recipe if you feel like your family's going to go through a lot of it. It's a great recipe. You can just double it up and just let it cook for a little bit longer at the end. But there you have it. A simple, easy barbecue sauce. No preservatives, no additives, minimal sugar. And you'll find the link to the recipe and everything below. Thanks for joining us.